death of Rey Rivera occurred in May 2006 in Baltimore. Rivera, a 32-year-old writer and videographer, was found deceased inside the Belvedere Hotel after being missing for several days. The circumstances surrounding his death were later classified as undetermined by the medical examiner. Rey Rivera had recently relocated from California to Baltimore to pursue professional opportunities. He worked on video projects and had a business relationship with a financial publishing company. Rivera was married and maintained regular contact with his family. According to available records, his routine involved working from home and collaborating with colleagues connected to his employer. There were no confirmed reports of prior medical or psychological conditions that would indicate immediate risk. On May 16, 2006, Rivera received a phone call at his residence. The call reportedly came through a switchboard associated with his workplace. Shortly after receiving the call, he left his home in a hurry. This was the last confirmed sighting of him alive. When Rivera did not return, his wife reported him missing. Over the following days, search efforts were conducted. On May 23, 2006, his body was discovered in a lower conference room area of the Belvedere Hotel. The location was beneath a hole in the roof, which appeared to align with a possible fall from a height. Authorities examined the scene and surrounding structure. The hole in the roof suggested a high-impact fall. However, investigators noted difficulties in determining the exact point from which Rivera could have fallen. Personal items, including his phone and glasses, were recovered nearby and showed minimal damage. A note was also found at his home, taped behind a computer. The content of the note contained a mixture of phrases and references that investigators described as unusual but not conclusively indicative of intent. The medical examiner ruled the cause of death as undetermined due to insufficient evidence to confirm suicide or accidental fall. Several theories have been considered. One theory suggests that Rivera may have accessed the hotel roof and fallen, though the physical logistics remain unclear. Another theory considers the possibility of external involvement, but no direct evidence has confirmed foul play. Some observers have examined the note found at his residence as potentially significant, though its meaning has not been definitively interpreted. No suspects were formally identified. The case gained renewed attention after being featured on Unsolved Mysteries. Public interest led to further discussion of forensic details and inconsistencies. Despite this, no new conclusive evidence has been publicly confirmed. Law enforcement has not announced any major breakthroughs since the original investigation. The death of Rey Rivera remains officially unresolved. Authorities have not determined whether the incident was accidental, self-inflicted, or the result of another cause. The case continues to be referenced as an example of an unexplained death with incomplete forensic conclusions.